Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to provide information about an important news if you are an IGNOU student. So you might have graduated recently from IGNOU, which is the world's largest university, Indira Gandhi National Open University. So if you have graduated recently, they are conducting their convocation. So you would have got your provisional certificate till now. Now if you want to get your complete final certificate, then you have to do an online registration for the convocation. So this is the website for that. So 30th convocation of the university is likely to be held in February or March 2025. So the students completing their program of study in December 2023 and June 2024 term and examination are eligible for award of original certificate at this convocation. The student shall have the option to attend the convocation and collect the certificate at his or her regional center where they belong to and not any other regional center. So students will be given an option to attend the convocation in person or receive degree diploma by post. So I have opted for degree diploma by post since I cannot go and attend it in person. But if you want, you can do that. All the students are required to fill their present address at which they want to receive the degree diploma certificate. And when they are signing up for this, they would need to put in their admit card, the admit card that you got from IGNOU initially when you signed up for the course from the IGNOU's office. So you just have to take a picture of it. It's supposed only small size, so you'll have to resize it in terms of memory or space and upload it. So in case the convocation is not held at the regional center due to any circumstances where the student belongs to, so he or she shall have to attend the convocation at other nearby regional center, which may be mostly in the same state or nearby state. Otherwise, his or her degree diploma certificate will be sent to his or her address by post. Intimation in this regard will be sent or issued after later on. So in the case the students are not invited to attend the convocation or could not attend the convocation even after submission of the requisition fee, the degree diploma will be sent by post by the concerned regional center after the convocation, including PG certificate programs. Therefore, students are advised to contact their respective regional center for degree certificates. So this is the instruction. You have to come here and register for it. Eligible students are required to register themselves. You have to pay a fees of ₹600, which can be paid online by using debit card, credit card, or net banking. So you can click here to print the acknowledgement. If you don't receive an acknowledgement, you may wait for around 48 hours. So for discrepancies in any payment of the convocation fee, you can contact these number and email address. For general query on convocation, you can contact this email address and this number. So students of MBA registered up to 2017 batch MC/MCom are required to remit registration fee at $600 per certificate. So students have to take all the certificates if they have qualified for more than one module of the program, paying ₹600 each. So that is valid for only for July 2017 batch up to that batch. So you can click on this declaration and click on I agree and proceed, where you can create your account. Then you can fill in the form where you have to put in your admit card number, admission number, IGNOU admission number, and put in the details including address, and then you can get your certificate. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.